let's make some shredded beef tacos, aka birria style. We got our chuck roast. We're gonna season it up with just some salt for this cook. Season both sides. Go ahead and season it generously. A chuck roast is a very big piece of meat and it can handle a lot of seasoning. We're gonna go ahead and get our briquettes down. I like building them like a pyramid because I'm gonna be doing this in my Dutch oven. Go ahead and lower that basket. Get our coals all lit. Dutch oven right on top of those coals. Let it heat up for a little bit. And then we're gonna sear off our chuck roast for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, so we can get a nice crust on the outside. Once that's done, we're going to deglaze it with some water, add in some onion, carrots. You can find this whole recipe on my website. The link is in the caption, or you can visit grillnationbbq.com. Once we get all of our ingredients in there, close the lid. We're going to let it cook for about 20-30 minutes, or simmer I should say. At this point, once all of our ingredients have married together, we're gonna mix it a little bit more with those guajillo peppers or chilies in there. Just wanna make sure that they're all getting tenderized and softened. Close it again for about another 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna remove all of our solids. You can do that any way you desire. And then I'm gonna add some of those solids into a blender with some of that liquid, mix it up, adding our beef back into the Dutch oven, and then we're gonna pour that puree right on top of that. That's all that flavor, adding more water in there, and we're gonna braise. We're gonna get some hot coals, put them on top, so that it is getting heat from the top and the bottom. As you can see, that chuck roast is tenderizing nicely, and it's absorbing all that flavor from the sauce. Once they're probe tender, we're gonna remove them, shred them up, put them back in there, mix it in with all that juicy sauce. That's why I say a birria edition, because same flavor profile, sort of the same technique, getting our corn tortillas down, getting our beef on there, some Oaxaca cheese, close it up, crisp up both sides on that plancha. Once they're toasted up and you get your taco looking how you like it, you're gonna remove them. Look at that, they're looking delicious. And I like to add some cilantro and white onion with some lime juice. And that's my finishing touches. These are absolutely money. We're gonna take this taco. Just look at it, it is just beautiful. Probably the best tacos I've ever made. And that cheese pool, that's where it's at. Dipping it in that au jus or that birria consomme, as they would say.